Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can create your ChatGPT account. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technologies that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, essay, and code. Now creating a ChatGPT account is a very simple process. So follow and watch this video till the end. Now firstly you need to open up any web browser on your PC, and on the URL bar you have to search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will take into this type of interface. Now here you will be able to see login and sign up button here. Now in order to create ChatGPT account, you have to tap on sign up button and then you will direct it to its sign up page. Now there you have to type in the email address, or you also can sign up for the ChatGPT using your Google or your Microsoft account. By tapping on continue with Google or with Microsoft account, you will immediately sign up for the ChatGPT. Now if you have chosen email address to sign up for your account, then you have to tap on continue button and there you have to create a password for your account. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm the password before moving on. Now once you're done with creating a password, tap on continue button. Now you have to type in your first name, last name and the birth date. And once you're done with it, tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, it will ask you to enter your phone number and then it will send you a verification code on your phone. And once you receive verification code, enter that code and then verify your phone number. And after that, you will be able to successfully create your ChatGPT account. Now that was the simple step-by-step process on how you can create ChatGPT account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.